children, open your GK book. So lesson number 15, 14th lesson. Before I thought, but anyone's homework is not came back to me. I want everyone's homework. Next, so see children, 15th lesson, tour of India. You all are like to go to tour or not? Tour means you are going with your parents anywhere. Yes or no? So to watch the some beautiful structures. So see children, here when you are going with your parents, you have to enjoy you have to see these all the beautiful structure and enjoy yourself. So see children, first one, what is this? This is Golden Temple. What is this? Golden Temple. Everywhere is golden plate. Golden plated this temple. This is worship of Sikhs. Sikh people are going this temple. This is very famous temple. It is in Amritsar. Where is this? Amritsar. So you have to write here Golden Temple. It is in Amritsar. Next, second picture. What we can see in this picture? See children. This is Gateway of India. What is this? This is Gateway of India. It is in Mumbai. So it is big gate of our India. So see here you have to write Gateway of India and write here Mumbai. Next, third picture. What we can see here? See children. This is Qutub Minar. What is this? Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. So this is a Qutub Minar. Very highest minar is it. And it is in, where is this? This is in Agra. Where is in? It is in Delhi. It is in Delhi. So you have to write here Qutub Minar, Delhi. It is in Delhi. So write here Qutub Minar and Delhi. You have to write here Gateway of India and Mumbai. Here you have to write Golden Temple and Amritsar. Next, fourth picture. What we can see here? This is Taj Mahal. This is a Taj Mahal. So you have to write here Taj Mahal and write here it is in Agra. This is in Agra. So understood children, when you are going with your parents, you have to visit these all the famous beautiful places. So, understood children? So once again, Golden Temple, Amritsar, Gateway of India, Mumbai, Qutub Minar, Delhi, Taj Mahal, Agra. So you have to complete these all, and if it is possible, you have to collect the picture of these beautiful structures and stick it in your GK notebook. Next, write their names below. Next lesson children, 16th lesson, natural disasters. So sometimes disasters are occur in the nature that causes great damage to human life and property. So some are naturally happening the disasters in our country or in our world. That time who are facing? Human life. These all the effect are fall on the human life. So and property also, human life and property. These are called the natural disasters. उसकी वजह से human means अपने ज़िंदगी में और अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को नुकसान होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स. We should donate generous. So see, do you understand children? These are all natural disasters. Pictures are here. So we should donate generously to relief funds. Means sometime whenever it is happened, that time what much you need, that much money you have to give for relief fund. So for victims of such a natural disasters, look at the following pictures and write the names of the natural disasters. You may be use the help box. Now we are suffering by the corona disease. So if you able to give some, donate to some funds, some money, you have to do the work. This is very good for everyone. So see children, you have to tell your parents if they are able to give the funds for Prime Minister Bank. So you have to give. So see children, you have to recognize these all the pictures. So what is this? When earthquake, भूकंप आता है, सब ये हिला के रखता है. सो क्या होता है, इसकी वजह से बहुत सारे इमारत गिर जाते हैं. उसकी वजह से ह्यूमन बीइंग की ओर इफेक्ट होता है. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? इट इज इफेक्ट ऑन द ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड देयर प्रॉपर्टी व्हेन द earthquake is happened on the land, and then this is called earthquake. And then flood बोले तो रिवर्स का वाटर सब विलेज में घुस जाता है ना, तब को उसको फ्लड बोलते हैं. इफ दैट ऑल द वाटर इज कवर्ड बाय द विलेज और टाउन wherever, that time is seen, we can see in our TV, yes or no? So this is a flood, means heavy rainfall. It happened for heavy rainfall. So this is a flood. And this is what drop means any time, 1 or 2 years, 3 years, that time here is not raining anywhere. So that time the farmer is facing this problem. If the drop he is not growing any crops. So that's why this is what one of the natural disasters. This is naturally happening this type. So this is what drop. Rain नहीं होता है. Next, what is this? This is cyclone. Cyclone means it is like this type water cyclone we can see in ocean. ओशियन में होता है, महासमुद्र में ये ऐसा साइक्लोन आता है. इसकी वजह से उसके कोस्टल एरिया में जो रहते हैं उसकी लाइफ पे बहुत इफेक्ट होता है. ये क्या है? साइक्लोन. एंड देन दिस इज व्हाट वोल्केनो इरुप्शन मीन्स हियर आग उगलता हुआ, माउंटेन के ऊपर से आग उगलता हुआ दिख रहा है, इसको हम बोलते हैं वोल्केनिक इरुप्शन. सो इसकी वजह से भी आजू बाजू रहने वाले गांव की ह्यूमन बीइंग के ऊपर बहुत इफेक्ट होता है. दिस इज आल्सो नेचुरली हैपनिंग इन आ लैंड. सो इट इज व्हाट वोल्केनो इरुप्शन. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट पिक्चर वी कैन सी हियर? दिस इज tsunami. What is this? Tsunami. So tsunami means that over on the sea water is covered by all the nearest village. There too much strong winds also blowing. This is called tsunami. So understood children, these are all called natural disasters. So first one is earthquake, this is flood, this is drought, this is cyclone, this is volcano eruption. Sorry, once again repeat this children: earthquake, flood, drought, cyclone, volcano eruption, and this tsunami. Understood children? So this you have to write here name, you have to use the helping box and complete this. Understood children? So if it is possible, you have to collect the pictures from the newspaper and stick it in your GK notebook and write down their name. It is picture of earthquake. Like this type you have to stick picture and write the name below. Thank you children.